Hello everyone, how's things going? So today I'm going to show you guys how to block some ad that Google will display on your website, or how to approve those ads. So if you are approved by Google to be a partner and you got a Google AdSense, and now you doesn't want some ads be displayed on your website, or if you approve a specific ad on your website, so you can do that via Google AdSense. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Donc je vais montrer comment bloquer quelques publicités que Google montre dans votre site internet. Donc si vous êtes partenaire de Google et que Google a approuvé votre site internet ou votre blog pour qu'il y ait de la publicité, pour que Google montre de la publicité dans votre site, mais vous ne voulez pas qu'il y ait certaines publicités soient affichées dans votre site internet, comment faire pour bloquer ces publicités-là? Ou bien comment faire pour approuver les publicités que vous pensez qui sont bons pour votre site internet. Mais ce que vous devez savoir, il est toujours conseillé de ne pas bloquer ces publicités. Laissez Google décider quelles sont les publicités qu'ils pensent peuvent rapporter de l'argent à votre site internet. Donc, it advised to not block it, but if you choose to block a specific website, you can do it via Google AdSense. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First thing, we are going to log on our Google AdSense. Okay, so I'm going to log in. So je vais aller me connecter dans mon Google AdSense. Okay. Now I'm on my Google AdSense. Okay. So what we're gonna do from here, just go to blocking control. Okay, from here we are going to decide which website to approve. So which website we are going to approve and which website we are going to block. Okay, so I'm gonna say I'm going to block this one. So I want to say I don't want to see this website to be displayed on my website. So you click block. So this website, Google won't show it again on your website. So this website won't display anymore on your website. Donc, si vous bloquez un site, ça veut dire que Google ne va plus montrer ce site internet dans votre site. Ils vont plus montrer la publicité de ce site dans votre site internet. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna approve this one. So I'm gonna click here, mark as review. So I'm going to click here. This means I have reviewed this one. That means it's fine. I click review. Okay, let's say I'm gonna choose another one. I'm gonna also review this one also. I approve it. Yeah, which one else? I'm gonna also approve this one. Okay. So this is how you review the ad that Google display on your website. Okay, review it. So all those websites, I've reviewed them. So that means Google can continue showing ads on my website with this company. Okay, so I have no problem with this company. They can display ad on my website. Okay, but those one I did block them, so they are not going to show again on my website. So this is how you do to block a website. If you saw a website that Google are displaying, if you see an ad on your website and you don't like that ad, you can block it or you can still review it. I hope this video will help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.